Oh yeah. Yeah. It's a fact, talking in town. We today, let's go check this camera quick. Anyway, today we're gonna change my oil. I have been slacking on this, as you can tell. I also need to do my brakes with my home dog to put them on for him because I don't mess with brakes, bro. Never have. But we're gonna do an oil change quick on my truck. And for those of you that don't know how to do an oil change, this is gonna be a good thing for you to stick around. It's something that you should know. And it looks like the ones that I actually probably need are not in here. Let's see if we can. They're just sitting in here. Either way, I have these. They're deep outside. I don't worry about it. Well, here's these. Yeah, but I don't think any of those are. Not even close. Yeah, none of those are. Cool. Let's get under here. Oh my god, Ooh. Oh yeah, get in the right position. Okay. That's righty. So we're there it is. Never put it on. Oh my god. Ruger, can you get that? Can you give me the pan? The pan. The oil pan. Fired. Get out of my way if you're fired. Look at the dog hair in that, you nasty boy. It's pretty nice under here. For a New York truck, you guys don't understand how clean this is for a 6-year-old truck. Absolutely wild. I'm about confident this is not going to go the way that I want it to. Beautiful. What are you doing? We might be in a predicament, boys. Okay, I think we're doing something. That's good. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, is that black sand? It ain't too bad. We're right on time. I'd say we're right on time. About close. Oh. Right. Now I need. Not in rain. And I'm alive. You wanna help me? Oh. I think I just stuck my hand on glass. That's why it hurts so bad. Oh. I love these Dodges for one reason, because like, look at that. So we're gonna try to. Oh, wait. It is that way. Ooh, just fucking almost tapping it.
I never even knew about these until I had my 2500 Chevy. And they're good to be getting into. You can get them in there.
I fucking got it. I finally got it. I'm so happy with myself. What? See? Oh, well, why couldn't you have been that fucking easy, huh? Ow. Okay, this might be a freaking problem. The funnel is not. The funnel is not. European car formula. Ruger, you need to come here.
Hold on, don't fuck with me. I'm trying to get this done. Oh my god. I am struggling. This is not a comfortable position.
Cool. I only hurt myself like 5 times in this process, so. Can you look up in a couple spots? Better hurry up because I'm pouring. I'm no mechanic, but doing my oil change and looked under there, and there is something leaking from the bell housing on the transmission, and it looks like it ain't from here. It looks like it's leaking from down there. Or if this just, if my engine top just pops right off. Yes, it does. Oh my god, don't do that. That's not good. That's not good. Don't sync with where. Yep. Fuck. Well, for the first time in forever, she has failed me. Somebody edit. Boo! Yeah, my fuel rail in my truck is leaking. Or it could be the whole... And I'm gonna replace the whole fuel rail and see what happens. And look at that baby. Look at that baby. You see that? Yeah. And see if that fixes anything. It's gonna cost me a pretty penny, but not money. And you don't care. You never cared. Just as long as you're with your dad, huh? You handsome man.